A well-equipped kitchen does not have to cost a fortune. Sometimes a few smart, affordable tools are all it takes to make cooking and cleanup genuinely easier. In this video, we're exploring 24 kitchen finds on Amazon that cover everything from prep and cooking to organization and storage. From clever gadgets to everyday essentials, there is something useful at nearly every budget. All links are in the description below. Sauce strips and greasy spoons on the counter make every cooking session a cleanup job. This silicone spoon rest holds up to 4 utensils and catches all the drips before they spread. Raised edges on all sides trap oil and sauce so nothing runs onto the counter. For separate slots, keep spoons, spatulas, ladles, and tongs right there and ready to grab. The bottom grips the surface so the rest stays put when pulling a heavy spoon out. It goes straight into the dishwasher when cooking is done, no scrubbing, no soaking. One flat silicone pad backed by a lifetime guarantee from Zulay Kitchen. Listed at $6.79. Chopping fresh herbs by hand is slow and leaves a mess on the cutting board. These herb scissors cut through basil, parsley, and cilantro in one quick snip. 5 stainless steel blades work together so one pass does the work of 5 cuts. The soft rubber grip means no slipping, even when hands are wet from cooking. They work just as well on salad greens, green onions, and fresh mint. The scissors come with a blade cover and a small brush that cleans between every blade. A thoughtful gift for any home cook who works with fresh herbs regularly. Listed at $8.52. Cooking gets messy when the bowls slide and lids are missing. This stainless steel mixing bowl set keeps bowls, lids, and graters all together. The rubber bottoms grip the counter so the bowl stays put while mixing. The lids snap on airtight so leftovers go straight into the fridge. 3 grater attachments sit right over the bowl to catch every shred. 6 bowls, 3 graters, a whisk, spatula, brush. Cooking with bowls that slide and have no lids slows everything down. This 26-piece stainless steel bowl set covers mixing, storing, and grating all in one kit. Rubber on the bottom grips the counter so the bowl stays put while mixing. Airtight lids snap on so leftovers go straight into the fridge without extra wrapping. 3 grater attachments let you slice, grate, or shred right into the bowl, no extra tools needed. 6 bowl sizes from 1 quart up to 7 quarts, plus a whisk, spatula, brush, and measuring spoons. All 6 bowls nest inside each other, so the whole set fits in one cabinet shelf. Listed at $45.99. Cooking gets messy when bowls slide and nothing stays put. This 26-piece stainless steel bowl set gives 6 sizes and tight sealing lids for every task. Rubber bottoms grip the counter so the bowl stays still while mixing. The shiny inner surface wipes clean fast, and the whole set goes in the dishwasher. 3 grater attachments slot right onto the largest bowl to shred or slice straight in. 6 bowls from 1 quart up to 7 quarts, plus a whisk, spatula, brush, and measuring spoons. All 6 bowls nest inside each other, so storage takes up almost no space. Listed at $33.98. Paper towels sitting on the counter take up space and get knocked over. This matte black holder mounts under a cabinet to keep the roll off the counter completely. It goes up 2 ways: stick it on with adhesive, or drill it in for a permanent hold. The aluminum frame is lighter than stainless steel but won't bend or rust over time. It works in the kitchen, bathroom, garage, or RV, wherever a roll needs a home. The rail measures just over 12 inches, fitting most standard roll sizes. One holder, multiple uses, hang towels, foil, or utensils on it too. Listed at $7.99. Microwaves splatter food everywhere and hot bowls are hard to grab safely. This cover and silicone mat work together to keep the microwave clean and protect hands from heat. The cover collapses flat for easy storage and has a wide grip handle that stays cool to touch. No more burnt fingers. The mat holds the bowl so food comes out of the microwave right away. The mat also works on the counter as a trivet, jar opener, or resting spot for hot pots. The cover is 10.5 inches across and fits most standard bowls and plates. Both pieces are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds. Listed at $11.69. Kitchen drawers get cluttered fast with tools that never seem to be there when needed. This 6-piece set covers the most reached for jobs in one compact stack. The stainless steel blades cut and grate cleanly, and the handles are light and easy to grip. All 6 pieces click together into one tidy stack, so nothing gets lost in a drawer. The whole set goes straight into the dishwasher, no hand washing after a long cook. 6 tools, 1 box, ready to give or keep, arrives gift packaged right out of the bag. Dull knives slow down every meal and make simple cuts feel like work. This 14-piece knife set handles every kitchen task, from slicing beef to peeling fruit. The blades are ground to a sharp 14-degree edge on both sides, so they cut clean every time. Because the whole knife is forged from one piece of steel, there are no cracks where rust can hide. The handles are solid steel too, so the knife feels balanced and steady in the hand. The set includes a knife block, sharpening rod, scissors, steak knives, and more, all in one pack. With a clean modern block that keeps everything in place, it also makes a great gift. Listed at $49.99. Separating egg yolks by hand is messy and nobody enjoys it. This little ceramic chicken does the job and makes it genuinely fun to watch. Crack the egg into the top, and the white flows out the chicken's mouth, leaving the yolk behind. The smooth ceramic inside rinses clean in seconds, with no egg stuck in corners. It also goes straight in the dishwasher, so cleanup is not one more thing to deal with. It comes in yellow and works for baking, cooking, or anything needing separated eggs. It also makes a surprisingly good gift, something useful that people actually smile at. Listed at $7.99. Breaking up ground beef in a hot pan is a slow, messy job with a regular spoon. This meat chopper breaks up ground beef and other cooked food fast, right in the pan. The angled blades press down and scrape the sides of the pot so nothing gets left behind. It handles heat without warping, so it stays safe on non-stick pans without scratching them. It also mashes potatoes, beans, or soft vegetables straight in the bowl or pot. One tool does the chopping and the mashing, so there is less to wash at the end. After cooking, it rinses clean in the sink or goes straight into the dishwasher. Listed at $7.65. Thick cuts of meat come out tough when nothing breaks them down first. This KitchenAid tenderizer pounds and flattens cuts so they cook evenly and stay juicy. One bumpy side breaks down tough fibers, while the flat side smooths cuts into thin, even pieces. Aluminum keeps the head heavy enough to do real work without feeling like a burden. It also cracks shellfish, crushes nuts, or flattens anything else that needs a firm hit. One tool, one size, finished in black, built to handle whatever lands on the cutting board. A hole in the handle lets it hang on a hook, so it never gets buried in a drawer. Listed at $33.99. Guessing when meat is done means cutting into it and hoping. This thermometer gives an exact reading in half a second flat. Stick the probe in and a number appears almost instantly, no waiting. The large screen flips automatically for left or right-handed use, day or night. It works at the grill, in the oven, and even for candy or deep frying. The 4-inch probe keeps hands safely away from heat, and the whole unit washes clean under the tap. A fast, accurate thermometer that works anywhere food needs a temperature check. Listed at $29.99. Stubborn jar lids stop a lot of people cold in the kitchen. This rubber jar opener grips any lid tight and pops it open without a fight. The rubber edges bite into slippery lids so hands do not have to squeeze nearly as hard. 8 different opening sizes mean it works on everything from small cups to wide pickle jars. It is especially helpful for seniors, anyone with arthritis, or anyone with smaller hands. One flat rubber disc handles jars, bottles, and cans, no drawer full of separate tools needed. It rinses clean in seconds and hangs on a hook, so it is always within reach. Listed at $5.99. Chopping vegetables by hand takes up too much time before dinner even starts. The Mueller Pro Series chopper cuts, slices, dices, and shreds in seconds with one tool. 8 stainless steel blades swap in and out. Each one handles a different cut. Perfectly diced onions, tomatoes, and peppers land right in the container below. The built-in food holder grips small vegetables steady so fingers stay safe while slicing. One chopper replaces 8 separate kitchen tools and comes apart for the dishwasher. Restaurants across every household argues about whether the dishwasher is clean or dirty. This small magnet sticks to the dishwasher and flips between clean and dirty. No more guessing. One side says clean, the other says dirty. Just flip it after each cycle. The whole family knows the status at a glance without opening the door. It also works on a washing machine or dryer for laundry rooms with metal surfaces. The square magnet measures 3.5 inches across and includes a stick-on metal plate for non-magnetic doors. A small addition to the kitchen that stops a very common daily mix-up. Listed at $4.99. Scrubbing dried food off the inside of a microwave takes forever. Angry Mama is a little steam cleaner that loosens all that baked-on mess with water and vinegar. Fill her up, pop her in for 5 to 6 minutes, and steam comes out through the holes in her head. That steam softens every splatter, so a single wipe takes it all off, no scrubbing needed. Add a splash of lemon juice and the microwave smells fresh when it is done, not just clean. She is made from safe plastic, goes right in the dishwasher, and comes in a fun, angry face shape. Angry Mama cuts microwave cleaning time in less than half and works on any standard microwave. Listed at $7.98. Regular sponges hold onto grease and start to smell fast. These 3 silicone sponges scrub dishes, pans, and fruit without holding onto gunk. The soft bristles loosen stuck food without scratching surfaces. Made from food-safe silicone, so no chemicals touch the dishes or the hands holding them. They work on fruit too, gentle enough to scrub produce without bruising it. This pack comes with 3 sponges, each a comfortable handheld size. They dry fast between uses and last far longer than a regular sponge. Listed at $4.97. Getting peanut butter out of a jar and onto bread makes a mess. This 2-ended silicone tool scoops from the jar on one side and spreads smooth on the other. The soft, flexible end gets into jar corners, while the firmer flat end spreads with control. One tool handles both jobs, no grabbing a spoon and then a knife every time. It also works for jelly, cream cheese, hummus, or anything that needs scooping and spreading. It comes in 2 colors, blue haze and oyster gray, and is dishwasher safe. The food-safe silicone and nylon handle is built to last through daily use. Listed at $7.99. Fridge shelves get sticky and grimy fast, and scrubbing takes forever. These soft foam mats lay flat on fridge shelves and catch drips before they stick. The tiny holes in the foam let air flow through so food stays fresh underneath. When a spill happens, pull the mat out, rinse it off, and let it dry. They also work as drawer liners, cabinet liners, or placemats anywhere in the kitchen. Each pack comes with 6 pieces in green, pink, and blue, sized for standard shelves. Safe for food contact, odor-free, and trim to fit for any shelf or drawer size. Listed at $7.19. Most kitchen drawers are crammed with mismatched tools that never stack right. This 5-piece set covers everyday jobs, grating, peeling, slicing pizza, and opening bottles. Steel blades handle cheese, chocolate, and vegetables without catching or sticking. All 5 pieces nest flat on top of each other, fitting in one small drawer space. The set comes packed in a reusable burlap drawstring bag, ready to give as a gift. 5 tools total: a grater, peeler, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and a drawstring bag. Every piece goes straight in the dishwasher, so cleanup is just one quick load. Listed at $8.94. Chopping vegetables by hand takes too long and makes a mess every time. This 12-in-1 food chopper cuts, dices, and slices vegetables in seconds using 7 blades. The stainless steel blades push through onions and carrots, dropping pieces into the container below. All the chopped pieces fall right into a built-in container, so nothing scatters. The whole chopper pulls apart into pieces that rinse clean quickly with the included brush. The kit includes 7 blades, an egg separator, a hand guard, a brush, and a container. Less time at the cutting board means more time at the dinner table. Listed at $12.98. Loose cords hanging off every appliance make the kitchen look cluttered all the time. These small rubber cord holders stick onto the appliance and wrap the cord up neatly against it. A strong adhesive backing holds each holder in place, so it stays put through daily use. The cord wraps around the holder and stays there, keeping the counter clear and the cord off the floor. They work on hair tools, coffee makers, blenders, and toasters, not just kitchen appliances. Each pack comes with 5 holders, so there is one for every appliance that needs it. Rubber construction means they hold their shape and grip over time without cracking or peeling. Listed at $7.99.